Hey, it's Annie. I actually bought this 118-piece Black Panther birthday decoration set. It really turned out super, super nice. I did add some extra balloons from another vendor and I added some plates, but other than that, everything you see here is from this package, which includes this tablecloth and the stickers and a bunch of fun decorations on the chocolate cake that I made for my son. My son was turning 10 years old. This was his request and he really, really loved it. You should have seen the way his face lit up when he first saw all the decorations, all the spirals hanging from the ceiling. It just looked super amazing for my little superhero. One thing I noticed was that the tablecloth was a little bit on the short end. So if you have a longer table, maybe take a look at the dimensions there. I didn't do that, so it's really my fault, but I really like this banner that was included. I like all the stickers. It's going to be a really nice party favor. I just scattered a bunch of different candies and some extras that I got from the other store, such as the plates. As you see, it just looked really amazing. It was very festive and it really did a good job of portraying the Black Panther theme. I would highly recommend. I think it was totally worth it. I brought the balloons to another store to get it inflated. It looked super amazing for my little superhero.